15 free crochet leaf patterns you can make today. This crochet pattern shows you how to make an autumn leaf. This project teaches you how to crochet small clovers. Make colorful crochet oak leaves with this free pattern. This free crochet pattern teaches you how to make tiny fern leaves. This free pattern shows you how to make a small crochet mint leaf. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a pretty leaf garland. This free pattern shows you how to make a willow leaf. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a special 3D leaf or heart using the crocodile stitch. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a clever leaf bookmark. This free crochet birch leaf pattern helps you make a cute and simple leaf to use on your fall projects. This free pattern teaches you to make nice fall earrings. This is a free crochet pattern to make a pretty monstera leaf wall hanging. This free crochet pattern teaches you how to make a strawberry leaf. This free crochet tutorial shows how to make a sage leaf. This free crochet pattern guides you to make a cymbidium leaf. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.